Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you unfortunately struggle with allergy symptoms, then you may be interested in this bottle of all-day allergy relief. This is from Amazon Basic Care. This is a cetirizine hydrochloride 10 milligram tablet. And for me, this has been really helpful. Of course, you always want to check with your doctor on what is safe for you. But I have found that this really helps with allergy symptoms that I have. And typically I have symptoms like sneezing and runny nose, itchy eyes, especially in the summertime. So this could possibly help for indoor or outdoor allergies, which is really nice. And the instructions are to take one tablet just once a day, and it can help to control those symptoms for 24 hours. It can cause a little bit of drowsiness for me, so I take it at night and then I don't notice any drowsiness the next day, and it takes care of my symptoms. So it has a child safety cap, of course, which is great, and the pills themselves are so small, and they are that really nice caplet shape, so they go down really easily. So you can see next to this chapstick just how tiny it is. So if you're looking for some allergy relief, I would definitely recommend this, and that is my point of view.